Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a haul unboxing from Tracy's Destash on Facebook. So I don't remember what I got, so let's just dig in. Let's see here. Oh, I did get some wire, so I thought this was pretty cool. This is $2 for this hot pink wire. I think that'll be cool for some earrings. Oh, these awesome shell beads, so they're 2 hole. I think those are really fun. That would be fun for like a Y necklace, having those come down. And then I bought this. Oh, I don't think I quite realized that it was shell. That's even better. It's a cool turquoise moon on shell, and it's not just a pendant. It's like a I just opened that, I think. I gotta be careful. Oh, maybe it was already open. I thought it was a vessel. It says it's made in India. Maybe it doesn't open. I think it does. I think I just need to jimmy it a little bit. I'm not gonna mess with it on camera because then if I break it, I'll cry. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. It's a cool little bottle vessel. A little moon on it. So this was so cool. I hadn't seen a Larimar heart before, not like this anyway. It's just like a cute rough, not even rough, it is polished Larimar piece with a huge hole in it that I can either just tie or use a bail. But it's so cute. It's a heart. How could I pass that up? And then we have some little Gothic looking cross beads. I think they're bone. I'm not sure though. Thought they were pretty cool. Actually don't remember why I chose this one. Maybe because she had a lady on it. I think I might paint this. The rhinestone color combo isn't really doing it for me, but I think I love the cameo. So I could always just paint over all of this if I wanted to. I could pop this out. Do a lot with this. It was $2. Sunflower like pendant. It's pretty neat. Half of this stuff I don't even remember binning. That's the problem with Destash groups. Not that there are problems with Destash groups, but that's the thing with Destash groups. Sometimes you don't remember what you do, especially if you don't take screenshots. But that's cool. I really like sunflowers, and I don't really do aromatherapy because I'm super sensitive to smell, but I could always put crystals in there or something that's kind of zinging around inside. I got these. These are old carved beads. I can't remember what. I can't remember if it was turquoise or if it's something else, but they're pretty cool. Yeah, they're not turquoise, but I don't know what they are. Maybe soapstone, but they're so pretty. And then I got some of these check hearts. Aren't those cool? These are like vintage and they're top drilled. I got 2 packs of them. They're so fun. Those are so fun. I have so many ideas for those. I just don't know where to start, or have time for them. They're so cool. Oh, I don't know if you have heard of the TV show Supernatural, but it's one of my favorite shows of all time, if not my favorite one. And they always have that symbol in the show, and just I like the moons on the side. So I think that's pretty cool. I only got one because I figured I'd put it on a bracelet or something. I don't know. Got some Lapis horses. Aren't those so cool? Oh my gosh, you could see the flash in that one from the pyrite and the lapis. Oh my gosh, I love them. They are so precious. They're so precious. I'm so happy I got those. I could hang them from the eye, or I could wire wrap a bail onto them. Look at those. Those are so precious. I love them. And then, I got some carved, these are carved mookaite tulips. Okay, tulips are one of my favorite flowers. Yes, I like sunflowers. I'm starting to like sunflowers more and more, but tulips and Gerber daisies have always been my favorite. And I just love that I got a really good assortment of mookaite colors. So I've got the beautiful yellow, I got a nice red, a really yummy almond, and then this one's kind of cool too. It's dark. It's got some purple and some almond in that one, and then a darker red. Oh, I love those. Thanks, Tracy. Those are really cool. And then I got two other larger carved beads. I can't remember. Hopefully Tracy watches this and she tells me what they are. I can't remember. And then I got some check heads. I hadn't seen these in this color. I have them in other colors, probably from Tracy, but they're purple and black. So cool. I know Julie will like these. She's a purple girl. But they're mine. She can't have them. I tease her all the time. And then I got these. They're very large cane beads. I have never seen cane beads this big, and they're just so cool. Cane glass. And that's blue inside clear. Just such a neat bead. Oh, I love it. And then this one's white inside clear, and it's thinner. So cool. I am so happy with my order. Everything made me so happy. I love, okay, so my favorites. My favorite of the favorites are these, the mookaite tulips, and the lapis horses. But, I mean, coming in second, Larimar and this guy. Gosh, I got some really cool stuff this time. And that's why I love these Destash groups, because you see stuff. I've never seen any of this stuff in a shop before. So, thanks so much to Tracy. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Let me know which one is your favorite. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Good morning. Well, it doesn't look like you're waking up. Good morning. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Good morning.